Hello dear student, I welcome you all in this video. Today we are going to study story number 4, The Baby, written by Rabindranath Tagore. This story was originally written with the title The Child's Return. In this video number 1, I will summarize and introduce the story to you, and in the further classes I will provide you word to word explanation of this story. This story is a tell all about human relationship. This is a tell all about human relationship. This story revolves around a character of Raicharan. Okay, and Raicharan was a loyal servant who um, who was employed who found employment in a house of a well-to-do family, it means a rich family. Okay, so his main responsibility in the family was to take care of his master's child, Anukul. Okay, Anukul grew up into a well-educated man and became a magistrate. In the story, Anukul married and became father of a son. And after that, Raicharan, okay, was entrusted the care of Anukul's son. But the child died in the care of Raicharan. Okay, and fate made the child fall into the flooding river. Okay, by this time, okay, the child was died. Okay, in the care of Raicharan. ओके अनुकूल का जो चाइल्ड है वो मर जाता है इन द केयर ऑफ रायचरण. इट वॉज फेल इन टू द फ्लडेड रिवर. By this time when the child was died, Anukul's son was died. By this time he was around in his late 30s. Okay, कि वो 30 years का complete हो चुका था, near about 32-35 years का था. He spent his entire youth starting from the age of 12 in the care of Anukul and his son who followed. Naturally, he was emotionally bonded to both father and the son. Further, as a caretaker of the child, Raicharan internalized all the blame of the child's death. उसने अंदर ही अंदर अपने आप को गुनहगार मान लिया फॉर द चाइल्ड्स डेथ. The death of the child is the toughest loss to bear. He thought if he hadn't gone to the kadam tree, okay, maybe the child would have been still in the world. He was considering himself the cause of the child's death. Okay, so student, it is said, ऐसा कहा जाता है that guilt works mysteriously in the hearts of noble person. Okay, guilt works mysteriously in the hearts of noble person. It means जो noble person होते हैं, जो अच्छे लोग होते हैं, वो guilt को अपने ही अंदर रखते हैं और उस पर mysteriously work करते रहते हैं. Okay, so student, it happened with Raicharan also. Okay, after the death of the child, Raicharan went to his village and started to live with his wife. Okay, and with the passes of time, when he was living with his wife, with the passes of time, his wife gave a birth to his son, and the Raicharan's wife died. She gave birth to his son, and then she died. Being a simple person, okay, Raicharan was a very noble person. Being a noble person, Raicharan took it as a sign of divine rebirth of the dead child. Okay, and that child, it means his master's son, Anukul's son. Okay, he took it as he took his own child's birth his own son's birth as a sign of divine rebirth of his master's son. and he began raising the child. He began raising his own child as if he belonged to magistrate's house, because he was thinking that his own son was reborn divine as a divine his own son's birth is a sign of divine rebirth of अनुकूल सन. ओके, वो अनुकूल के सन का डिवाइन रीबर्थ है, ऐसा वो सोच रहा था. दैट इज़ वाई वो उसे ऐसे अब उसकी अपब्रिंगिंग इस प्रकार से करने लगा जैसे कि वो एक मैजिस्ट्रेट के हाउस में रहता हो, जैसे कि वो एक मैजिस्ट्रेट का सन हो. ओके, by sacrificing his own means, okay, by sacrificing his own means, he began gifting the child with great clothes, food, and great education. Okay, when he's own 50s, okay, when he's 50s, when he was in his 50s, he became too ill, and due to the old age he was not able to work, okay, or to take care of the child. Okay, so that is why he gave the son back to Anukul, okay, to his master. To finalize the punishment, he takes the blame of stealing Anukul's son. He was very noble person. The Raicharan was very noble person. So as a to finalize his punishment, okay, he was वो अपने आप को गिल्ट कर मान रहा था, अपने उसके अंदर में एक गिल्ट था कि शायद उसकी वजह से अनुकूल के बच्चे की डेथ हुई है. दैट इज़ वाई टू फाइनलाइज हीज पनिशमेंट, उसकी पनिशमेंट को फाइनलाइज करने के लिए उसने क्या किया, ही टेक्स द ब्लेम ऑफ स्टीलिंग अनुकूल सन. उसने ऐसा ब्लेम अपने ऊपर ले लिया दैट ही हैज़ स्टोलन द अनुकूल सन, उसने अनुकूल के सन को चुराया है. ओके, बट अनुकूल्स न्यू सन एंड ही गेव बैक द हीज ओन सन टू अनुकूल, and Anukul's new son, it means the real son of the Raicharan, okay, gifted the Raicharan with a monthly pension when he left the son to Anukul. जब वो अनुकूल के पास उसने छोड़ दिया वो सन को, अपने ही सन को, तो उसके खुद के सन ने बहुत रिक्वेस्ट की अपने न्यू फादर से, वो अनुकूल से, और इसे रायचरण को मंथली पेंशन देने के लिए रिक्वेस्ट किया. बट व्हेन द मनी रिच टू हीज एड्रेस, व्हेन द मनी रिच्ड टू द एड्रेस ऑफ रायचरण, ही वॉज नॉट देयर टू रिसीव द पेंशन. Therefore, apart from loss of Anukul's son, Raicharan lost his own son as well. In his gift to Anukul, he wiped out the couple's pain, but now he was in great pain because he lost his own son. Such a great person was Raicharan, who sacrificed his all to cancel his master's pain. So student, in the next part of video I will explain you in the next classes or in the further classes I will explain you the lesson word to word. Okay, I will explain you the story word to word. I will provide you word to word explanation of this story. Okay student, so have a nice day. Bye bye.